Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and as we have learned in the last video how to do a proper notching in the chassis, right? So in this video I'm going to show you how to apply this in a practical way. Okay, if you are going to do this notch in real time, then you might face so many difficulties and how to do the proper angles and the notch complexity, right, that you have to face. So to avoid that, how to do the manual notching with perfection. Okay, so that takes some time and efforts as well, but it will be very perfect. And also I can show you example. We have used this method to create these notches, right? So these are our notches which we have used in our Formula Student car. So as you can see, these are our fixtures and chassis. Okay, so this type of notches we have done. So as you can see, so let's just start without wasting time. Okay, so after perfect notching, okay, after making perfect notches, what you have to do, you have to select the pipe or member which you want to do the print. Okay, so you have to take out a 1 gem 1 scale print to your this one to through your printer, and then you can just wrap it around this that member, and then you can notch accordingly. Okay, you can mark those areas, and you can do this feature with a notch tool. So let's say I've selected, and it selected this okay, buildment area. Now I can see this member has been selected, right? So what I can do, I can just click it, select, and insert it to new part. Okay, so I am going to take the cut list properties, okay, because that is very useful. And now I will give the title. Let's say I'm going to save this part as a triangulation member. So what I will write, triangulation member, right? And okay, you can name it accordingly, like sim member, main hoop members, etc, like that. Okay, so propagate visual properties, okay, and then you can click it, okay. As you can see, change the unit of the derived part. Convert custom properties value of the derived part to the unit set in its template. Okay, so you have to select accordingly. Do you want to change the unit? No, I don't want to change the unit, right? So as you can see, my member is there. Now I want to make it flat. Okay, in 2D. So that I can print this. How can I do this? First, go to the front plane. Whatever. Okay, this is my sketch plane, and I cannot do this. I cannot. Okay, go to the front plane and take a reference of center line. Okay. Now create one box over here and take it as minimal as possible. Okay, let's say I'm taking 0.2. So as you can see, so this will be your tolerance area where your pipe will be at some point it will be open. So make sure it is very less, like 0.1. Okay, very marginal. You can take a 0.001 as well. No issues in that. You just have to cut this from the middle, right? So my sketch has been selected, as you can see. Now I will do extrude cut. Okay, extrude cut this area. Okay. Now as you can see, my member has been cut from middle. Okay, now I want to make it flat from this edge or this edge. Both edge I can do, right? So go to the sheet metal and select the insert band, and whatever band it is there, this edge should be selected, so that you can give the band. And yes, I will click it, okay. Now my pattern has been created. Okay, it's converted into sheet metal, converted. And now as you can see, my flat pattern is also ready. If you make it flatten, so it will be like that. Okay, as you can see, my pattern has been created. Now what you have to do, you just have to take this into the drawing. Okay, I am taking make drawing from the part and assemblies. Okay, I will select any format for now, and you can take appropriate view. Let's say I'm going to take a top view. Okay. Now what you have to do in single drawing, whatever members are possible in 1:1 scale. Okay, you don't have to scale it down. If it is scale, then make sure it is not scaled. Use custom scale, and here you have to give 1:1, so that you have to select the paper size accordingly, right? So we have taken a very large paper for this and take out so many members together, so that there is no difficulties in cutting this area. So you have to cut this, and you have to just clip on it member, right? So that's how you can make a perfect notch. It needs practice and it needs patience. So you can just try for three or four member first, how it is going, and if it is giving the accuracy, you can move ahead. Or if you find any difficulties in that, you can just comment me down, or you can just contact me, so that I can guide you properly how to do the notch by the notch tool, and which notch tool you have to select, like right. And yes, I can give you the machine suggestions as well, no issues in that. So that's how you can perform this member cut list. Okay, so yes, in real time it is very applicable, because we have used it 2 or 3 years. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. It will give us a motivation to create more detailed videos. And okay, keep sharing, keep learning.